Hello class. So your homework for today is this Google form. We're going to start with an observation, right? Because we start all of our scientific method with observations. We talked about observations last week. We're going to keep talking about observations. And then you are going to come up with a question and a hypothesis for your observation. So, like it says in the description right here, when you go outside and you see a bug, you notice that usually they are socializing with bugs of the same color. So, red bugs hang out with red bugs, and blue bugs, see here, blue bugs hang out with blue bugs. So when you go outside, you always see something like this. The red bugs are hanging together, and the blue bugs are hanging together. Based on this observation, I want you to come up with a question and a hypothesis. Okay, so what is the question that you can make from this observation? What's the question that we want to test? And then what's your hypothesis? Okay, remember, a hypothesis must be testable, and it's an if, then, because statement. So if, what are we changing? Then, what's going to happen? Because, come up with an explanation. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Have a great day.